people think?
Well, but I get confused then, because to me it looks like y goes from 1 to 2x plus 1, and then from 1 to negative 2x plus 5.
Okay, hold on. So you have a different suggestion. So tell me yours. So you're saying your y is going to 1, from 1 to 2x plus 1, and then you have another one where your y is going from 1 to negative 2x plus 5.
Mm-hmm.
And you're still in the other parts? What's
from 0 to 1, and then from 1 to 2.
okay, and then which one are you doing first here?
dy dx. And I'm not saying her way is wrong, I just can't picture that.
This is great. I mean, this is exactly where our brain should be stuck right now. That's why I'm expecting you guys to be confused about. Which one of these is correct, or are they both correct, or are they both wrong? And how do we know?
They're the same.
Troy, what do you think?
The one on the left, should the two numbers on the second part be switched upside down?
Like from this to that?
Yeah, those two. Should they be switched? Because
From
it
going
starts
from
on
2x plus 1 on the bottom and 1 on the top?
Yeah, the 2x plus 1 on the bottom and the 1 on top.
Okay. Oops, we have more possibilities here like that. Would you do that for the second one too?
No, just keep that one the same.
Keep what the same? Like,
The second part, keep that exactly the same.
oh, you want to keep that exactly the same? Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, because my idea is that the second part, the 2x plus 1 is where it starts and it goes to 1. 1 is the point, and then when you add the second point, and it's 1, and then you go to the second slope of the
Okay, so Troy's arguing this is sort of, this goes, that it has to be a continuum. From here I'm going to there, so this thing could be the same as the beginning of the next one. He would like there to be, no, sorry, that's the wrong one. He would like there to be a continuum from this one to that one. I'm consciously not saying anything about right or wrong right now. I'm just adding on these ideas. So we hear good reasoning right now. We heard Liz's reasoning and how he was going from one to the other. We heard Megan's reasoning and how she felt she had to break it into two. And then we felt Troy's reasoning, who thinks there has to be a continuum. Okay, what do you guys think?
I'm pretty sure I can disprove that one.
The first one? Okay.
Yeah.
What's your reasoning?
My reasoning is that, and I understand the point of that one, where if it's a triangle, you have, it goes to the bottom, and then it's like you get this line, and then you get that line. But the problem is that's the y integral. It's going from here to here. So what that's saying is from 0 to 2, you have this line continues all the way to here, so it continues farther, and this line continues all the way out here. And the area that would find is the area in between this line and this line, so it would find this, not this.
Okay, let's take your second scribbles out again so we can
Yeah,
look
yeah.
at the first scribbles. Okay, so Sean is saying Liz's integral actually is computing that area. Hannah's facial expression is probably representative for most people's thinking right now.
Yeah, I'm about there too.
What do you think?
Well, I found a reason why mine doesn't work. Because the cutoff at y is 1. Mine doesn't have like where it should stop in the y direction.
So you're definitely missing something in that one because we haven't at all talked about that that's happening. So there might be another reasoning. Okay. Okay, so we'll definitely, there's definitely something questionable with this happening right now. How can we, let's see if anyone else has a good idea before I try to ask a question. Does anyone else have an idea how we can figure out which of those two is going to do it? I'm consciously ignoring you for another minute. Troy?
I think mine is wrong too. Because
Yes,
it's-
you want to change it again? Okay.
Because it's
This
not-
is interesting, right? Like the people who have their problems change their thinking, okay?
Because mine, I just noticed that it's in terms of y. So I was taking it from the perspective that it was starting from the left and moving right, but was supposed to be doing is starting from the bottom moving to the top. So it should be starting at one end, it should be the one on the top.
So were you sort of thinking I'm coming from here to a line and then?
Yeah,
go
that's-
I know,
that's what I was thinking.
eating you alive, I'm sure it is.
Okay, interesting. Okay, so now we're thinking this or not. So it looks like from that direction, this might be. What do the groups think that did not share their answer? Do you agree with this one?